In this video, I'll be teaching you how to paint this cute peachy butterfly which gives off all those cozy warm vibes you need this winter.
Like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, this is me Sam and welcome back to my channel once again. So as you have read in the title and thumbnail, in today's video I'll be making this peachy butterfly and it's kind of a paint along, I guess. So by starting off, take a sheet of paper which you want and it can be of any measurement. So for this I'm using an A5 size sheet, and you should mask the sides with a masking tape or an artist tape. If you don't have such tapes, you can use the transparent ones. So yeah, I'll be sketching this thing with a pencil. I have already practiced these sketches in a separate notebook, as you can see at the side, and I'm doing this now properly on my sketchbook. I'm using a mechanical pencil for this. You can use any wooden pencil for the same. And so previously you saw the sketches which I did for the sketching. Now for the section of painting, I'll be using acrylic paints for this, and you can use any other paint you want as well. So you can use wash or poster colors, it can be anything. For now I'll be using acrylics. So starting off, take orange color and fill in the shapes inside the butterfly's wings. Now take black color paint and paint the borders around this orange thingy. I don't know what is this called. If you have studied science, then maybe this is a cell membrane or maybe nucleus. I don't know what I should call this. And a selectively permeable membrane around this thing, like that black color. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just rambling around. I'm sorry. So yeah, what you should basically do is paint these border kind of thingy around the orange stuff. Also, don't forget to paint the butterfly's body because it's important as well. And starting with the backdrop, what you have to do is you can either use the flesh tone color as it is, or what I have done is I have taken orange and then I have mixed a lot of white with it and I have formed this peachy color. So for making peach color, you have got two options. This is a bonus thing from my side. What you can do is either take one part of orange and 2 or 3 parts of white, or you can use 2 parts of yellow and 1 part of red and lots of white with it. So basically red and yellow makes orange, so that's why this thing also works as well. And now using white and peach or orange color, make or paint dots on the wings of the butterfly. Now from this part of the video, our highlighting and shadow work on the artwork starts. So using orange, I'll be adding highlights to the body of the butterfly because I felt like that thing is needed. So like we can create a separation between the black color of the wings and the body of the butterfly. And also, as you guys can see, the colors of the background are uneven, so I also corrected that later. I didn't show it unfortunately, and now tape peel magic is happening here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please make sure to smash that like button, and why not share this video with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me, so you may if you want to. And also, if you like my work, then you may also subscribe to my channel, and no compulsion, you can always change your mind anytime you want. And if you are subscribing, make sure you click the bell icon too, so you always get updated whenever I upload a new video. And I'm extremely sorry for not posting consistently and being inactive due to my board exams, but I promise I'll try to upload consistently from now on. And yeah, make sure you watch this video too. Have a great day. Bye.